A closer look 1. 3. Listen and repeat the words. Can you add any more words to the list?
Unit 2. Page 18. A closer look 1. Activity 3. Listen and repeat the words. Can you add any more words to the list?
Living room. Lamp. Sofa. Picture. Table. Bedroom. Bed. Lamp. Picture. Chest of drawers. Kitchen. Fridge. Cupboard. Cooker. Table. Dishwasher. Chair. Bathroom. Bath. Sink. Toilet. Hall. Picture.
Activity 5. Listen and repeat the words.
Lamps. Posters. Sinks. Fridges. Tables. Wardrobes. Toilets. Beds.
Activity 6. Listen again and put the words in the correct column.
Lamps. Posters. Sinks. Fridges. Tables. Wardrobes. Toilets. Beds.
Activity 8. Listen to the conversation and repeat. Pay attention to z, s, and is at the end of the words. Then practice the conversation with a partner.
Mum, are you home?
Yes, honey, I'm in the kitchen. I've bought these new dishes and chopsticks.
They're beautiful, Mum. Where did you buy them?
In the department store near our house. There are a lot of interesting things for the home there.
We need some pictures for the living room, Mum. Do they have pictures in the store?
No, they don't. But there are some ceiling lights. We're buying 2 for the new apartment this week.
We also need 2 new vases, Mum.
That's true. Let's go to the store this weekend.